Hello students, now today we are going to solve problems from this topic angle and its measurement. Our first problem is this: in triangle ABC, if measurement of angle A is 7 pi by 36 radian, measurement of angle B is 120 degree, then find measurement of angle C in both degree and radian. Okay, now convert this angle in degrees. Measure of angle A, it is 7 pi by 36 radian. To convert it into degree, multiply it by 180 divided by pi, it is in degree. This pi get cancelled. 36 into 5, 180, this 5 into 7, 35 degree. Okay, angle B is 120 degree. We know that in triangle ABC, sum of the angles is 180 degree. We have measure of angle A plus measure of angle B plus measure of angle C 180 degree. Therefore, measure of angle A is 35 degree plus measure of angle B is 120 degree plus measure of angle C 180 degree. What is this sum? 120 degree plus 35 degree. This is 155 degree plus measure of angle C 180 degree. Therefore, measure of angle C 180 degree minus 50 degree, it is 25 degree. आपण डिग्री मध्ये काढला ना, आता रेडियन मध्ये काढायचा. Now to convert this angle C of measure 25 degree in radians, multiply 25 degree by pi by 180, it is radians. पाचचा भाग जातो ना, हे पहा, हे पाचा 25 आणि 36 into 5, this is 5 pi divided by 36 radian. आपल्या क्वेश्चन मध्ये दोन्ही होतं ना, find the angle C in degree. In degree it is 35 degree and in radian it is 5 pi by 6 radian. Okay, now our second problem is two angles of a triangle are of measure 5 pi by 9 radian and 5 pi by 18 radian. Find the third angle in degree and radian. Okay, ट्रायंगल चे असल्यामुळे आपण लेट करू. लेट पहिल्या कोणाला A कोण म्हणू. मेजर ऑफ अँगल A 5 pi by 9 radian, 5 pi by 9 into, to convert this into degrees, multiplied by 180 divided by pi degree. हे पाय कॅन्सल होतं. काय तर बघा, 9 ने डिवाइड करा 180 ला, 20 डिग्री. 20 into 5, this is 100 degree. Okay, now measure of angle B, दुसऱ्या कोणाला B कोण म्हणा, is equal to 5 pi by 18 radian. To convert it into degree, multiplied by 180 divided by pi, this is 5 pi by 18 into 180 divided by pi degree. काय तर हे पाय कॅन्सल होतं ना. 180 ला 18 ने भागा 10 येतं, 10 into 5, this is 50 degree. Okay, now we have to find the third angle, measure of angle C. We know that We know that in triangle ABC, sum of the angles is 180 degree. We know the two angles. 100 degree measurement of angle is 100 degree. Measurement of angle B is 50 degree. Measure of angle C, we have to find this third angle, is equal to 180 degree. This is 150 degree plus measure of angle C 180 degree. Therefore, measure of angle C is equal to 180 degree minus 50 degree. This is 30 degree. Now convert this into radians. Now measure of angle C 30 degree. 30 into pi divided by 180 radian. इसका भाग जाता ना 30 into 6 180. This is pi by 6 radian. Okay. Here, the next problem is the sum of the angles is 5 pi radian and the difference is 60 degree. Find the measures in degree. Okay. First convert this 5 pi radian into degree. To convert this, multiplied by 180 divided by pi degree. This pi will get cancelled. This is 900 degree. Let the measures of that two angles be x and y. Let x and y be the measures of required angles. Okay. What is given? The sum of the angles is 5 pi radian. The sum of the angles is 5 pi radians or 900 degree. Okay. Therefore, what is our first equation? Therefore, x plus y is equal to 900 degree. Equation 1. The difference of the angles is 60 degree. The difference of angles is 60 degree. Then what is our second equation? Therefore, x minus y is equal to 60 degree. This is equation 2. By adding these two equations, we get by adding equations 1 and 2, we get to solve these two equations, add these two equations 1 and 2. Here plus y and minus y cancel. This is 2x is equal to 960 degree. Therefore, x is equal to, this is 960 degree divided by 2. This is 480 degree. And put this value in equation 1. From 1 we get 480 degree plus y is equal to 900 degree. Therefore, y is equal to this 900 degree minus 480 degree. This is 420 degree. Therefore, what are the required angles? The required angles in degrees are 480 degree and 420 degree. Therefore, required angles are 480 degree and 420 degree. Our next problem is the measures of the angles of a triangle are in the ratio 3:7:8. Find the measures in degrees and radians. Let the angles be 3x, 7x and 8x. Let the measures of the angles be 3x, 7x and 8x. In triangle, the sum of the angles is 180 degree. The sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Therefore, 3x plus 7x plus 8x is equal to 180 degree. काय ती बेरीज बघा, 8x plus 7x 15x plus 3x, this is 18x is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, x is equal to 180 degree divided by 18. किती आलंय? This is 10 degree. Okay, and in radians it is 10 into pi divided by 180 radian. This is pi by 18 radian. Therefore, in triangle ABC can directly लिहून टाका. Therefore, the angles in degree are 3x, 7x, 8x. In place of x, put now 10. This 3 into 10 degree. The first angle is of measure 30 degree. Here 7 into x 10, 70 degree, and 8x 8 into 10, 80 degree. Okay, we can write this angle directly. Now in radians, the angles in radians are, okay, x means pi by 18 degree. Our first angle is 3x. Here multiply by 3. 3 pi by 18. 3 pi by 18 radian or pi by 6 radian. Okay. Now 7x. 7 into pi by 18. This is 7 pi by 18 radian. And next angle 8x. 8 into pi by 18. This is 4 pi by 9. 4 pi by 9 radian. Okay. The required angles are of measures in degrees are 30, 70 and 80, and the required angles in radians are of measures pi by 6 radian, 7 pi by 18 radian and 4 pi by 9 radian. Okay. See here, our next problem is the measures of the angles of a triangle are in AP, and the greatest angle is 5 times the smallest or least angle. Find the angles in degree and radian. Now, 3 angles of a triangle in arithmetic progressions. पहिल्यांदा arithmetic progression पाहायचं here. Three consecutive numbers, 3 numbers x, y, z are in AP. Therefore, when we say that the 3 numbers are in AP, the difference between them is constant. Difference between 2 consecutive numbers is constant. Therefore, y minus x is equal to z minus y. Therefore, 2y is equal to x plus z. Therefore, y is equal to x plus z divided by 2. Then, y is said to be arithmetic mean between x and z. Y is said to be arithmetic mean between x and z. If three numbers are in geometric progression, if three numbers are in geometric progression, GP, then three numbers x, y, z are in geometric progression. Geometric progression means the ratio of two consecutive numbers is constant. Means y divided by x is equal to z divided by y. Therefore, y square is equal to xz. Then y is said to be geometric mean between x and z. What is said to be geometric mean between x and z? समझ लो. Arithmetic progression, arithmetic mean. Geometric progression, geometric mean. आणि त्याच्यानंतर आहे हार्मोनिक प्रोग्रेशन, हार्मोनिक मीन. हार्मोनिक प्रोग्रेशन म्हणजे three numbers x, y, z are such that their reciprocals are in AP. See here, three numbers x, y, z are such that their reciprocals are in AP. That is 1 by y minus 1 by x is equal to 1 by z minus 1 by y. Therefore, 2 divided by y is equal to 1 by x plus 1 by z. किंवा therefore 1 divided by y is equal to 1 by 2 into bracket 1 by x plus 1 by z. Then y is said to be harmonic mean between x and z. Then y is the harmonic mean between x and z. Now see these two problems. See the solution. Three angles of a triangle are in arithmetic progression AP. मग आता AP मध्ये जर तीन अँगल्स असतील तर कशी लिहितो आपण? वन अँगल x नेक्स्ट x प्लस d आणि पाठीमागचा अँगल x मायनस d. लेट x plus d, x minus d be the measures of angles of a triangle in AP. What is the sum of the angles of a triangle? It is 180 degree. The sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Therefore, x minus d plus x plus d is equal to 180 degree. Here plus d minus d cancel. 3x is equal to 180 degree. This implies x is equal to 60 degree. Okay. And what is another condition given? The greatest angle is 5 times the smallest. Given that the greatest angle, which is the greatest angle? X plus d is 5 times the smallest angle. Smallest angle is x minus d. Therefore, x plus d is equal to 5x minus 5d. Therefore, काय तर हे this is 6d is equal to 4x. Therefore, 6D is equal to, what is the value of x? 60 degree. 4 into 60 degree, this is 240 degree. Therefore, D is equal to 240 degree divided by 6. This is 40 degree. Okay. Now, we have to find these three angles in degrees and radians. Which is the smallest angle? Now, x minus d. Value of x is 60 degree and d is 40 degree. This is 20 degree. Or to convert this into radian, multiply 20 by pi by 180 in radian. This is pi by 9 radian. Next angle is x. X is 60 degree. 60 into pi by 180 radian. This is pi by 3 radian. And next angle is x plus d. X is 60 degree and d is 40 degree. This is 100 degree. Convert this into radian. This 100 into pi by 180 radian. कितीचा भाग चालला? 20 चा भाग जातो ना. This is 5 pi by 9 radian. ओके. तर आपल्याला प्रश्न काय विचारला होता? Find the angles of a triangle in degrees and radians. तर आपल्याला डिग्री मध्ये मेजर काय मिळाले? 20 degree, 60 degree, 40 degree. The angles in degree are of measure 20 degree, next 60 degree and 100 degree. And again in radians, the angle in radian are pi by 9 radian, next pi by 3 radian, and last 5 pi by 9 radian. Our next problem is the angles of a quadrilateral are in AP and the greatest angle is double the least. Find the angles of a triangle in find the angles of a quadrilateral in radians. Okay. बरं, ट्रायंगलच्या 3 कोनाच्या मापाची बेरीज किती? 180 आणि क्वाड्रिलॅटरलच्या 4 कोनाच्या मापाची बेरीज 360. म्हणजे प्रॉब्लेम हा दोन्ही जवळपास सारखेच आहे. ओके. आता 4 अँगल्स कसे घ्यायचे बघा इकडे. सी हाऊ टू टेक 4 angles in arithmetic progression. Let the angles of a quadrilateral in AP B काय घेणार सांगा? x plus d, x minus d, x plus 3d, x minus 3d. क्वाड्रिलॅटरलचे 4 अँगल AP मध्ये घेत असताना असे घ्या. What is the sum of the 4 angles of a quadrilateral? It is 360 degree. The sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Therefore, x minus 3d प्लस x माइनस डी प्लस x प्लस डी प्लस x प्लस 3d इज इक्वल टू 360 डिग्री. हे काय काय तर बघा रे. हे माइनस 3d and plus 3d cancel. This minus d and plus d cancel. The x plus x plus x plus x 4x. 4x is equal to 360 degree. Therefore x is equal to 90 degree. आणि 90 डिग्रीला रेडियन मध्ये काय लिहिणार? 90 ला पाय बाय 180 ने मल्टिप्लाय करा. दिस इज पाय बाय 2 रेडियन. आता काय करा? सियर कंडिशन काय दिली आणखी एक. द ग्रेटेस्ट अँगल इज डबल द लिस्ट. गिवन दॅट द greatest angle is double the least. Which is the greatest angle? X plus 3d. And which is the least angle? X minus 3d. X plus 3d is 2 times x minus 3d. Okay. Therefore, x plus 3d is equal to 2x minus 6d. Therefore, color 9d is, this is 9d is equal to x. Therefore, 9d x is 90 degree. Therefore, d is 10 degree. ओके. आता मला एंगल्स काढता येतील ना. वी नो द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ x. इट इज 90 डिग्री and d is 10 degree. Now find the angles. See here, x minus 3d. X is 90 degree. 3 into 10 degree. This is 60 degree. 60 into pi by 180 and radians. It is pi by 3 radians. Next, x minus d. X is 90 degree. D is 10 degree. This is 80 degree. 80 into pi by 180 रेडियन. किती आलं हे? बोला. 2चा मान जातो ना. 2 pi by 9 रेडियन. Sorry, 4 pi by 9 radian. This is 4 pi by 9 radian. Or next, x plus d, 90 degree plus 10 degree. This is 100 degree. 100 into pi by 180 radian. चला 20 चा भाग जातो इथं. हे किती झालं? This is 5 pi by 9 radian. And the greatest angle is x plus 3d. This is 90 degree plus 3 into 10, 30 degree. This is 120 degree. 120 into pi by 180. This is radian. 60 चा भाग जातो ना. This is 2 pi by 3 radian. समजलं? म्हणजे आपल्याला क्वाड्रिलॅटरलचे चारही अँगल्स कशात मिळाले? डिग्री मध्ये मिळाले आणि रेडियन मध्ये मिळाले. डिग्री मध्ये काय? द रिक्वायर्ड एंगल्स इन डिग्रीज आर काय काय सांगा बरं? 60 60 degree, 80 degree, 100 degree and 120 degree. 60 degree, 80 degree, 100 degree and 120 degree. थोडंसं पडताळा करून पहा ना, याची बेरीज येते का बघा. हे 220 आणि 80, 300 आणि 60, 360 म्हणजे बरोबर आहे. आता रेडियन्स मध्ये the required angles in radians are color pi by 3 radian, 4 pi by 9 radian, 5 pi by 9 radian and 2 pi by 3 radian. Okay, 5 pi by 3 radian, 4 pi by 9 radian, 5 pi by 9 radian and 2 pi by 3 radian. Okay, we'll stop here. याच्या नंतरचे प्रॉब्लेम्स आपण पुढच्या पिरियडला घेऊ. साधारणतः आणखी आपल्याला 1-2 पिरियड मध्ये जास्तीत जास्त हा टॉपिक संपतो. ओके, त्याच्यानंतर आपल्याला पुढचे ट्रिग्नोमेट्रीचे टॉपिक्स स्टार्ट करता येतील. ओके, we'll stop here.